Lordship, I'm praying for a passover in this matter.
पास ओवर क्या होगा? आप इतने कॉम्पिटेंट हैं, बहस करिए।
I don't have instruction to argue the matter. My senior has to argue it finally.
इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिलवा देते, आपके सीनियर पीछे खड़े हैं। आप तो बहस करिए। बैठिए, कोचर साहब बैठिए, बाजू में बैठिए इनके।
I'm appearing for respondent 5 and 6, my lords.
हाँ।
I did not have instructions from the matter.
ठीक है, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आप बैठिए, आपके नो इंस्ट्रक्शंस कर देंगे 5 और 6 के लिए। ठीक है,
Because I just briefly state the facts of the case. Because a complaint was submitted before the authorities saying that there's a school, Panch Ratan High School. That school, it is carrying out its operation without having the requisite permission and sanction from the authority.
जी।
On the basis of that complaint, an inquiry was conducted and subsequently a final report was prepared.
जी।
Thereafter, a direction was issued to register.
इसकी तैयारी तो पूरी है। सावरा साहब, आप बोलते हैं आप तैयार नहीं है।
Because I said I don't have instruction to argue the matter.
Instructions to argue. हाँ।
Then, a direction was issued by the authority that an FIR should be registered against the respondent, private respondent, that is 5, 6, 7, and 8 Milods.
जी।
Now, Milods, since 2 years have been passed, neither any FIR has been registered, Milods, nor any action has been initiated.
आप कंप्लेनेंट हैं क्या?
Yes, Milods. I had Milods submitted the complaint before the authorities, raising the
अथॉरिटी।
Milods, me just come to Anisha P1. This is the complaint.
जी, क्या कंप्लेंट?
This Milods, I may just read the page 15, Milods.
आप पढ़िए ना।
आपसे अनुरोध है कि ग्राम बृजपुर में जो पन्ना से करीबन 30 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है, इसके संचालन, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, इसके संचालन मनहर महिला समिति पन्ना की अध्यक्ष श्रीमती स्नेहलता परासर के द्वारा 19 जुलाई 2015 को शुभारंभ किया। इस स्कूल के संदर्भ में जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी पन्ना के यहाँ से विद्यालय की हायर सेकेंडरी की मान्यता के संबंध में किसी भी प्रकार की कोई कार्यवाही नहीं की गई। स्कूल एवं क्षेत्रवासियों के साथ पंचरत्न संस्कार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ग्राम बिजपुर अवैधानिक तरीके से संस्था का संचालन कर रहा है एवं शिक्षा का खुलेआम व्यवसायीकरण कर रहा है। अतः आपसे अनुरोध है कि पंचरत्न संस्कार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ग्राम ब्रिजपुर के विरुद्ध तहसील पन्ना से जांच कराने की एवं अनुशासनात्मक कार्यवाही कराए जाने की कृपा करें। नो मनोज
के बारे में कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
Yes, Milos, page number 36. Milos, before that, Milos, we come to the P2. On the basis of this complaint, an inquiry was conducted, and at the page number 20 is a relevant part.
हाँ, 20 पढ़िए।
Yes, Milos, I'm just referring the bottom.
Eligible offense बनता है, बताइए।
Milos, may come to page number 20. Milos,
पेज नंबर 20।
उपरोक्त विवरण जिसके संबंधित उपलब्ध सभी दस्तावेज जांच पर कहा जा सकता है कि पंचरत्न संस्कार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल बृजपुर सत्र 2015-16 में अवैधानिक रूप से खोला गया। वर्तमान सत्र में 2016-17 की पृथक पंचरत्न हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल एवं संस्कार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल बृजपुर का संचालन अवैधानिक है, क्योंकि किसी भी तरह की कोई विभागीय अनुमति किसी भी संस्था के
शिक्षा अधिकारी ने दोनों स्कूलों की मान्यता क्यों नहीं निरस्त कर दी? एजुकेशन कोड में प्रावधान है, अगर कोई स्कूल अवैधानिक रूप से चल रहा है तो उसकी मान्यता, इसमें क्रिमिनलिटी क्या हो गई? कॉन्ग्रेजेबल ऑफेंस कौन सा हो गया, ये बताइए।
Milos, may just see Milos what has happened. They were
you'll have
yes.
to answer two things.
Milos, 420 would be made out. Milos, I'll satisfy.
Your locus and which cognizable offense is said to be made?
Milos, the first question as regards the question of locus is Milos, on the basis of what authority I had submitted the complaint. So basically this school, it was run under the aegis and supervision of Manhar Mahila Samiti. I am the erstwhile president and the lifetime member of this committee, Your Lordship.
ठीक है।
So on the basis of this,
I had फाइल कर सकती है ना, अगर
Milos, I am the lifetime member, Your Lordship.
Lifetime member has no locus. आपकी सोसाइटी के बायलॉज दीजिए, उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? एनी लाइफटाइम मेंबर कैन स्यू और सोसाइटी विल बी sued through the president or the secretary as the case may be. क्या है बायलॉज, बताइए।
Milos, I apologize, I don't have the bylaws right now.
पढ़ाएंगे तो नहीं वकील साहब?
Milos, no, Milos, I am ready to. It may be taken up in the Passover. I'll just.
पासओवर नहीं। हाँ,
Milos, and second question is which particular offense would be made out. Now, Milos, what has happened is these Milos persons, they were collecting money from the students under the garb that we have a school and you can get your admission done. Now, this money, it was collected by these private respondents. So, Milos, prima facie it would be under 420 because they had no authority to collect the money.
बसों में जाके प्राइवेट कंपनी
Milos, now that would not be an efficacious remedy because there's already an order of the collector that an FIR should be registered. Or suppose if I file an application under 156, 3 read with 200, they would say that it is not an efficacious remedy because there's already an order to register the FIR.
Who is collector to direct for registration
Plus,
of FIR?
this was done on
You are an aggrieved party.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are an aggrieved party.
Yes.
Even if order has been made by the collector and that is not followed,
Yes, Your
then
Lordship.
you have two remedies.
Yes.
Either to pursue the matter with collector that
Yes.
his order is not being followed,
Yes, Lordship.
It's a matter of shame that the order of the district magistrate is not followed.
Yes, Lordship.
Secondly, if you have any other grievance, you can file a private complaint.
That private
This
complaint.
kind of tactics will not
And in
help.
fact, Your Lordship, just one, my lords, subject to your Lordship discretion, my lords, me just come to the reply for a moment. My lords, I'll pursue my remedy. My lords, me just come to the reply. My lords,
That's the end of the matter. You are only required to pursue the remedy before the concerned.
my lords, me just have a perusal of the reply for a moment. I would rest my case.
तो जरूरत ही नहीं है उसकी. में से उन्होंने तो no instructions कह दिए.
My lords, that reply has been filed by the state government, but the private respondents, they have not filed the reply.
हाँ
My
ठीक.
lords, I would just refer one paragraph. My lords, what is their stand?
स्टेट ने क्या कहा? हाँ.
the show cause notice was given to
रिप्लाई संभाल के पढ़िएगा मैडम, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आपके ऊपर जो है जी
the kindly see
आपके अंडर में इलीगल एक्टिविटी चल रही है, आपका कलेक्टर कहता है कि बंद करिए, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर की इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट है, तो फिर क्या प्रोवोकेशन है आपके कलेक्टर साहब को और एसपी साहब को एफआईआर दर्ज न करने का? संभाल के जवाब दीजिएगा. What action has been taken by the district education officer for opening a branch without getting sanction? क्या जवाब है? कलेक्टर का ऑर्डर कहाँ है आपका?
Lordship, my lords, just one thing. My lords, may come to the reply. My lords, just before that.
Please show me the order of the
My lords, page
collector.
36.
Page
36.
36. Let us see that first.
Yes, Lordship.
छह एक 17.
This
2 साल तक अगर आप जो है SCN जारी करें, पुलिस FIR करे, 2 साल बाद जाकर आप पंचनामा बनाएंगी, 2.5 साल बाद. पेज 36 पर आइए. I think some indulgence is required. Your collector passes an order, SCN जारी करे, पुलिस FIR करें 9/2/17 को. आपकी अथॉरिटीज 2.5 साल बाद 21/10/19 को जाके पंचनामा बनाती हैं. देखिएगा, लेट पर्सनल एफिडेविट ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर एंड कलेक्टर पन्ना बी फाइल्ड दैट व्हेन कलेक्टर पन्ना had directed to register to issue show cause notice and register police FIR on 9/2/17, then why a panchnama was prepared as is filed by the state as annexure R5 on 21/10/2019 after more than 2.5 years, and what action is taken against the delinquent officials for sleeping over the directions of the district education officer Panna and collector Panna dated 9/2/2017. Let affidavit be filed within 3 working days. List this case on 20 September 2022. It is made clear that if affidavit is not filed by collector Panna and district education officer Panna, then they shall remain personally present before the court on 20 September 2022.
I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.